Ever walked up to your Honeywell thermostat only to see a blank screen? Don't panic. This is more common than you think, and usually it's something simple you can fix yourself. Let's go through the steps to get your thermostat back up and running. First, check the power. If your thermostat uses batteries, remove it from the wall and replace them with fresh A or tape A batteries. Snap it back in place and see if the screen lights up. If it's hardwired to your HVAC system, check your circuit breaker. If a breaker is tripped, flip it off, wait 30 seconds, and flip it back on. Next, some systems have a float switch or safety switch to prevent water damage. Head to your indoor unit or air handler and check the drain line and pan. If the switch has been triggered, you'll need to unclog the line or empty the pan before the thermostat will power on. Also, make sure the furnace or air handler door is fully closed. These doors usually have a safety switch, and if it's not engaged, your thermostat won't get power. Open and close the door firmly until you hear it click. If your thermostat has a reset button, usually a tiny hole, press it with a paper clip for 5 to 10 seconds. No button? Remove the thermostat from the wall for about half a minute and reattach it. While you're at it, check the wiring, especially the C wire, which powers most thermostats. Make sure all connections are secure. If you've tried everything and it's still blank, the thermostat itself may have failed. At that point, replacing it is likely your best option. And remember, if anything feels tricky or you're unsure, calling a licensed HVAC technician is always a safe move. Now, your thermostat should be back in action, keeping your home comfortable again.